Hi everyone. Tonight I'm going to make some homemade macaroni and cheese in the quick cooker. One of my favorite things to cook in here is pasta is because it is so quick and easy to do. So we are going to start with 4 cups of water and you're going to pour that in. And then a half a pound of pasta, so whether you're using elbow macaroni or a mixture like I'm using, I'm trying to use up a bunch of leftovers. So I weighed my pasta and I have 1 pound here of different kinds of pasta. Then you're going to use 2 tablespoons of butter. And our seasonings, which are a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, and then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. One of the nice things I like about this is you don't have to make the roux with the flour and butter like you normally would. You don't want to put your dairy ingredients in there right away because what will happen is everything will end up curdling. So we're going to cook this on high for 5 minutes. So I'm going to put the cover on. Make sure that you have the seal closed, and we're going to do a custom setting for 5 minutes. And then start it. So it's going to take about 10 minutes for the pressure to get up to where it needs to be, and then you'll start seeing the time on the screen. And when it runs down, then you're going to do a quick release. And all that means is that you're going to manually release the pressure instead of letting it release naturally. Then what you're going to do is, I've got 3 cups of cheese here. I had some Kojak cheese. You could use cheddar and Monterey Jack, Colby and cheddar, whatever you prefer. And then a half a cup of Parmesan. And then a half a cup to 1 cup of milk. It's just going to depend on how creamy you want it to be, how thick this is going to be when you take it out. So you'll just gradually start with your half a cup, and then if you need to thin it out a little bit more, you'll just continue to add milk until you get it to the consistency that you like. So once this gets up to pressure, in less than 10 minutes you're going to have dinner ready on the table. And we're going to serve ours tonight with some hot dogs. You might serve it up with something else, but it's something that the kids will like, and it's a really quick and easy meal that can use up items that you have in your pantry. Have a great night.